Hello, my name is Raana Rao. I am 27 years old and I am from Pakistan. I am currently studying in the Masters of Arts in Digital Media and Global Communications program at the University of Niagara Falls, Canada. Before coming to Canada, I completed a bachelor's degree in media studies. I worked as a graphic designer and also ran a small design studio where I focused on digital branding and content development. I picked UNF because of its modern programs and technology-driven curriculum. The Master of Arts in Digital Media and Global Communications program stood out to me because it brings together creativity and technology. I love that it combines theory with hands-on experience using real digital tools. Projects like Digital Storytelling Campaign have been especially inspiring to me. Other students would definitely enjoy the hands-on digital projects and case studies, which makes the learning experience practical and engaging. I have learned valuable skills in media production strategy and design thinking. My favorite course is Design Art Therapy, which beautifully blends creativity with mental wellness. The admissions and student success teams have been incredibly helpful, always there to answer my questions and guide me through course selection and workload management. I really enjoy the quiet lifestyle, friendly people, and cultural diversity here. I love nature, the climate, and the chance to explore local art and photography. I often go for walks, take photos, and visit art galleries in my free time. After graduation, I plan to stay and work in Canada with the goal of eventually launching my own media business. My career dream is to create a platform that supports mental health through art and to become a creative director of a wellness-focused tech company. UNF is a wonderful place to grow both personally and professionally. To anyone considering it, go for it. To my family, thank you for your love and thank you for your support. I love you and I miss you. I am Raana Rao and I am a proud student of UNF and innovation flows here.